Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we will have a quick review of this Chinese product which is called Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Blender 2-in-1 with smart torque. Now you can create textures and touch of a button, no slang, no stirring, no shaking. Power Nutri Bowl for thicker texture, Power Nutri Cup for drinking and dressers, built-in power paddle. This model have Auto IQ, which is probably a gimmick, dishwasher safe. Auto EQ does the hard work for you with one touch program, specially engineered to cup and bowl. The result, texture steer to your taste, from light and silky to thick and spreadable. The choice is yours. There are more expensive models. I decided this because it was in the middle, designed for thick mixtures with less wick, the bottom high speed programs with no steering and no need for stir or shake. Power Nutri Bowl for thicker texture. Power mix to whip up delicious dips, butter, nut butter and smooth spreads, makes great revitalizing smoothie bowls. I will use it for smoothies, no need to scrape or shake. Power Nutri Cup for drinks and dressing, designed for drinks and dressing with lighter checks. Select blend. I have some ingredients here. Power up to crush the blitz nuts, seeds, twice and super smooth finish. So, Chinese product. It was expensive, if I remember, around 70 Great British pounds, something like that. 68 if I remember correctly. Here how the item looks like. We have a Nutri Bowl, hybrid edge blades, Power Nutri Cup, storage lid, made in China of course. I will unbox it, I will wash it, and I will prepare a smoothie, and I will also taste it and give you my feedback. Okay, wait a moment, just 1 minute. This is the thing. Hopefully this thing will last, because with Chinese the quality, as you know, it's not very good. So here is my feedback based on the build quality. Here we have cheap plastic, here we have cheap plastic, which I don't like. Cheap plastic. Here we have labeled do not pass hot liquids, but all these are plastic, not very healthy at all. Here we have the base, made in China, cheap plastic again, everywhere. I bought this from Amazon, but again the build quality is not very nice. We have Ninja here logo, Chinese Ninja. Here we have rubber feet, and I will try to taste this thing soon when I wash it and when I prepare my food. It's me again. So I'm preparing the raspberries with some coconut. Okay, as you can see, I would give it a try now. This will be my first interaction with this item. Maybe I put too many, because I cannot really close it. It's finally here, so I will now prepare. I will use Power Mix. The unit is very noisy. You can see. Let's try blend now. This is the blending program. noisy unit. I will give you my 2 cents in a moment. 10 seconds left. So I will not be able to make smoothies in the night. This is what I can tell you. This is the mix program, also extremely noisy. Okay, it's finally here. This is, I guess, some ordinary program. Okay, alright. I tried all. I'm not impressed with this junk, but let's taste it now. Hopefully this thing will not leak, because I'm a little bit worried about that. Okay. After each use, you need to clean the unit and deassemble it, of course. The base is nice plastic. This is again plastic, all cleaned. I will show you how the final smoothie looks like. Here you are. I mix several things like coconuts and other things. This is how the end products look like. Unfortunately, I tried all of the programs of this unit and I'm not very happy. Some of the ingredients are not well cut, some are not cut at all. I also tried this upper thing, which is some sort of mixer in the top. This is how the end result looks like. But again, I'm not happy from the result. Unfortunately, some of the ingredients are not cut. So for me, this unit is I would rate it with poor rating on my side. Maybe the better model, the best model is the Pro model or the Think model or whatever it's called with the IQ. Automatic IQ is much better, but I cannot comment on that because I have not tried. I will still use the unit. I will not return it because my return period is over, but that's for your attention only. So better always get the best possible product you can buy or not at all, because your mistakes can be costly. Also, I had an issue today while I was preparing some smoothie. I got error of the unit, so I disconnected, I reconnected again. Probably I get the unit overheats after a couple of sessions, I guess. And also the unit itself is extremely loud. You cannot use it most times of the day, only in the night, only in the day I mean. In the night it's not possible because it's so loud that neighbors will kill you. So that's my honest feedback. And I also don't like the plastic glasses. So that's all from me. If you like my videos, keep watching, sharing, subscribing. Until next time. And remember, always buy quality things in life.